In this next in a series of videos about running real life products that have launched recently through the 6 elements method for a value proposition, we're going to look at the habit of connecting things to the internet and believing that creates an automatic value proposition. So the example we're going to look at here is an interconnected fire alarm battery. Now, we all know that in our world, we're being told that we need, and we're targeted if we have families, if we have houses, that we need to have a fire alarm. And the insight's pretty clear that a fire alarm will protect us by waking us up during the night. Now, this company have focused that insight down by saying, but when that battery runs down in your fire alarm, it makes an annoying noise which irritates you throughout the night. True. And what are the alternatives? Block number 3. Go to the shop the next morning, buy a new fire alarm battery, which are readily available, cost about €2, stick it in your fire alarm, job done for the next 5 years. But no, this company have looked at a solution and said, well, we can solve that in a different way. We can stop the irritating beep of your fire alarm battery. Benefit, reason to believe, by creating a monumentally overcomplicated solution in which we make your fire alarm battery connect to your wireless router, which connects to an app on your phone. So instead of being woken up during the night by an irritating beep, you're now woken up during the night by an irritating notification on your iPhone that says your wireless battery in your smoke alarm is running low. Now, the problem with this is the technology is so complicated, it costs $40 per battery. The capacity of the battery is reduced and the amount of energy it uses means it runs out much faster. And of course, if it unpairs from your wireless network, your family are left unprotected. To me, this is an example of the Internet of Things and things being wirelessly connected for the sake of it. It's a project that's technology push. It's being driven by element number 5, the reason to believe. And the weakness for me is, yes, it's true that a fire alarm is irritating when the battery runs down and it tells us to go and buy a new one. But the alternative to this is quite simple. I go and buy a battery and that problem goes away for the next 5 years. Let me know what you think about this idea and whether the value proposition makes sense to you.